Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2022 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Police Interceptor. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2022 Ford Police Interceptor Utility engine compartment fuse box controls key systems like the engine, lights, and cooling. It's located near the battery and features labeled fuses for easy identification and maintenance, ensuring quick access for necessary repairs or replacements. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2022 Ford Police Interceptor Utility passenger compartment fuse box manages interior systems like power windows and lighting. It's located beneath the dashboard with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. This ensures quick access to maintenance and replacements.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.